Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Healthy food versus junk food. What's the better choice? Apple, banana, grapes, strawberries or juice, chocolate, chips or pizza? What's the better choice? Healthy foods give us energy and help us grow stronger. Example of healthy foods: whole wheat bread, nuts, smoothies, and water. Junk food tastes good, but too much can make us feel tired. Example of junk food: fries can make us tired. Healthy food versus junk food comparison. Choose healthy food for a happy and a strong body. Quiz time. Guess if it's healthy or junk food. What do you think? Is it junk food or healthy food? Your time starts now. The correct answer is healthy food. Apple is a healthy food. Kids, always remember to be hydrated and eat healthy. If you will eat healthy, you will stay healthy. And healthy food keeps us healthy. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.